Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to use your TI-83 or TI-84 calculator to solve linear systems with three variables, or as I like to call them, 3x3 system of equation problems. Typically seen in Algebra 1, Algebra 2, or like SAT math prep in some cases with word problems. But anyways, let's get started and solve this problem. So as you can see, we have 2x plus 5y plus 2z equals negative 38, 3x minus 2y plus 4z equals 17, negative 6x plus y minus 7z equals negative 12. So for the first method I'm going to use, you need MATHPRINT enabled on your device. I know the TI-83 does not have this feature, so TI-83 people, just hang on. I'll get to you guys in a minute. But TI-84 people, your feature should be activated if you're on the 2.55 firmware. So if you don't have that, you might want to update your system to that. And I know some teachers might disable this feature for their exams. So if that's the case for you guys, if you're on like testing mode with this calculator, I think the other method will also work for you guys as well. So if you want to learn another method, stay tuned and I will gladly show you that method. No worries. Anyways, so I entered the first number from each of these variables into a 3x3 matrix. And then I made sure to take the inverse of that. So now immediately afterwards, I'm going to make a 3x1 matrix here. I'm going to put the solutions to the system of equations problem. Well, so when I mean solutions, I mean the solutions once you put x, y, and z into these respective equations. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. 17 and negative 12. And let's go ahead and get the answer. So for this, you basically take the first variable you inputted, the second variable you input, and the third variable you inputted. So here would be x equals 3, y equals negative 8, and z equals negative 2. Let's go ahead and check the solution to this problem to see if we have the right steps. So as you can see, they did it by hand. It's also a good way to check your handwritten work to make sure you solved the problem correctly. And as you can see, we got x equals 3, y equals negative 8, and z equals negative 2. All right, now time to help out the TI-83 people and the people who might have MATHPRINT disabled on their calculators. So now I want you guys to go click second and the inverse of x right here. It's technically second matrix, letter D, second letter D. Either way works with me. Just make sure to remember that. Second letter D. I'm going to go ahead and edit my matrix to give me a 3x3 matrix. I'm going to input data 252, 3, negative. Oop, that was weird. Sorry, guys. 3, negative 2, 4, negative 6, 1, and negative 7. Okay, so that's my first matrix. Go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and edit my next matrix, which is B. That should be a 3x1 matrix. I'm going to go ahead and put negative 38, 17, and negative 12. I'm going to go in the second matrix again. I'm going to go click on wrong thing. Going to go ahead, click enter. Take the inverse of that. Then second matrix again. B. There we go, guys. X equals 3, y equals negative 8, z equals negative 2. Now, I'm going to go over question 2 as well, in case you guys have an example where you're missing a variable. So I'm going to quickly run over that problem and show you guys what you had to do. So in this situation, if you're missing a y here, you just are going to simply enter a 0 in that space because you have nothing there. So 3, 0, negative 9. And then 3, negative 2, 4, Oh man, I misread. My bad. 7, -4, -1, 4, 6, 5. Then you do the same thing, take the inverse. 3x1 matrix. 33, -15, and -6. There you go. X equals -1, y equals 3, z equals -4. There we go. Correct answer. I'll show you guys that using the matrix method. What I usually like doing is just clearing it out because I don't like dealing with all that again. So I just clear it out every time I need to make a new matrix or edit a new matrix in. 3x3, 3, 0. God, I hate that the back button isn't programmed into the emulator properly, but it's okay. 3, 0, 0, -9, 7, -4, -1, 4, 6, 5. Okay, then I'm going to go back into second matrix again, edit a 3x1 matrix in with the solutions. 3x1, 33, -15, -6. Oops, right there, let me get the matrix. A times the inverse, and let's go ahead and multiply this out. Go ahead and put B in as well. And there we go. We had the answer. X equals -1, y equals 3, z equals -4. Well, anyways, guys, if you need any more help on this topic, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. I'll reach out as soon as I can. I'll be sure to read every comment, respond back as soon as possible. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Anyways, I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to have a great day. Thank you so much.